Hey, welcome to Philippines. I have balut here. Balut. I will eat balut. I have two more here. Two more. Balut and this is duck egg. Okay. This is how you eat it. You see the egg has a pointed one and a big one. See? So you crack the bottom part. So this part, bottom. Open it. And you see there's a sac. It's like a membrane, like a skin that holds the duck. See? There. Then once you open the sac, there's a liquid. There, liquid. You need to drink it. I have a salt here. Just put a salt, a little bit salt. A little bit salt. There. Little bit salt, and then you drink. Drink a little bit more. And you know that sack is very nice. I think it's the pee of the duck. Okay, and here you can open the thing. This is our evening snack. But why? Okay. Why is it off? Okay. Here is the duck within the yellow part. There's a white hard part, and there's a duck then inside. So we usually eat it at night, but last night my dad said there's a balut, but I did not hear. So this morning I want to eat it. So just put a little bit salt, and then if you want, if you're scared, you just eat it whole. But if you're not scared, you can, bite and then bite and then. But me, I can eat it whole. Yeah? Here's the duck with the hair. But you can still, put some salt here. The duck. There's a hair. This is maybe almost going to hatch. See the duck there? This one is the hard part. We don't eat this one. So eat one more. I think it's okay because it's very small. And it's how many years in Taiwan I've not been home, so I think it's okay. I eat two. Yeah. One more. See? See? You. Today is 9. I think. What time is it? 9 something in the morning. We usually eat this in the night time because it's we don't want to look at it. We don't want to see it. But I missed it last night, so I did not see it last night. So here's the balut egg. Oh man. Yeah. That's the balut. Just put the salt. Some put what is this? Vinegar. But I like salt. Here's the balut. Here's the hard part. We don't eat this one. Here's the yellow part. This is very nice. Yummy. There's one more, but no more. I only have two. Only two. This is more for my mom. So yummy. It's always fun in the Philippines.